So we've put an elaborate arrangement. Around 1000 police personnel are deployed in one shift. There are total of 3 shifts, so around 2500 police personnel are deployed. We have round the clock arrangement. रात में भी हमारा deployment रहता है. आज सुबह से from around 1 a.m. Police staff was deployed under the supervision of SDPO Panjim. इसके अलावा on a daily basis we've deployed traffic staff has been deployed. Quick reaction teams from anti-terrorist squad have been deployed. Security unit has deployed staff who are experts in searching and frisking. So because of a combination of these efforts, we've been able to keep this place secure and also give a smooth experience to all pilgrims and tourists who are visiting.
Okay, so international delegates also is visiting the states. How to seen on the safety and security?
So whenever international delegates visit, prior information is shared with the protocol department. It is also shared with the security unit, and accordingly we give them necessary protocol, and security is also provided depending on their threat perception.
So if any giving a message for the Goan?
I would first of all wish all Goans happy feast, and also from behalf of whole of Goa Police I give them advance greetings of the upcoming new year, and we welcome you all to come and visit Old Goa during exposition, and we are hopeful and we'll try our best to give a as smooth an experience, keeping in mind all the necessary security drills which are important.